Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Crypto Trends Daily. I'm Silverbacked, and I'm going to go through and show you exactly what in the 4-hour time frame, using Heikin-Ashi, smooth Heikin-Ashi candles, what's trending right now, so we can adjust our portfolio to suit, to make it aligned with it. One small little bit of housekeeping is I've actually just tightened up the delay on these smooth Heikin-Ashi candles. You'll find that there is actually a delay. We were around about 10%, you know, just in light of the recent price action, I can see here that, you know, we're negative 6.7. You know, I think we were holding a couple of these assets like Ethereum Classic. You can see I've got it up on the screen, and not saying we're going to get out exactly before it started to fall, but you know, around about here, if you can see, it's lost 5.17, and there's a very similar theme to a lot of these other assets we're possibly holding. You know, around about this sort of area here, you know, it started to sort of like, you know, just break this, you know, if that's a low, then this is a lower low, and it started to break through. So around about this time is exactly where there was a trigger if we got the tighter delay. So long story short, I won't take too much time on this. I'm basically just shortening down the delays so we can respond faster. I mean, if we're coming in and responding every 4 hours anyway, we might as well have the faster responses, right? Yeah, exactly. So I'm immediately implementing this. So essentially, that means also that we're going to change our bias based upon this new faster delay. So that would mean we're getting out of BTC and into USD. So we're running the safety, and then I'm going to go through, and then I'm going to go through and double check these are all in the top 20 and top 40 of the actual total large cap market cap. And then, so I'll just double check those, and then I'll come to you with a summary right here now with exactly what we're holding outside USD, if at all any, and what's trending. I mean, the market's pretty red, so I don't think there'll be too many, but we'll see. I'll just pause here and just click back with exactly what the summary is. Okay, so I did another shuffle, and we've got all of our very red looking market all in order. So basically this is how it is. Something of note, I did notice I went a little bit further down the line. I got WorldCoin is in there, but anyway, I don't want to spend too much time on this. I just want to get straight into programming the bot. So in order to do that, let's bring it over. We're going to look at the daily. You can mark these bots, by the way, just when you set them up, just go modify bot name, so you can actually mark what they are in your back office of Pionex. Or if you're just manually doing this, that's fine. Carry on keeping on doing that. And so we want to I've got weekly, I've got daily, and I've got top 20, I've got top 40. So that's basically a nice four that I do, and then I can split my portfolio into those 4 different categories. And I've just, yeah, as you can see here, I've done an even amount in all of them, so 450 or so, 440, whatever. So, okay, so daily, looking for daily top 20, here it is here. So basically, I need to change the coins. Okay, straight away, I'm switching my bias from BTC to USDT. Oh, sorry, just USDC will do. Just any US stable coin. Alright, so that's majority, and then I'm going to actually delete all of these because there's hardly any assets that are actually performing. So this is actually, we're taking cover, we're taking our money off the table, so it's impossible for us to lose any more while this market works out what's going on. So I've worked it out here. That's DXY, so it's a dollar index. Apart from that, Link is the only one that's actually is performing. So let us go Link. And I'll give that a 5% allocation. That will be then therefore 95%, creating 100% of the portfolio. That's the top 20 done. I'll put these summaries down the bottom. So boom, we're now protecting our assets we have there. Again, just to repeat, I've made the delay shorter so that we can react faster in future. So I mean, it's just I mean, we're going to be making money. It's just as important to save on losses and to react faster. Those wins, when we do get them, that have been amazing, are even more sweet and more consistent. So So that's the top 20 done. So the next one is the daily top 40. Daily top 40. So let's have a look in here. Again, straight away our bias is switched to stable coins. Straight away, and then I'll just get rid of all of these pretty much, and preload it with anything that's actually trending better than USDT, which is not much, again, on the top 40, but we'll have a look. So second half here is, let me just count this out. Yeah, so basically, out of the top 40, NEAR is the only one. I've just gone through these and save your time. NEAR is the only one that's actually flashing green. So we'll go in and adjust that to add NEAR. Give that 5%. Make that 95. Okay, confirm. And again, I'll put these summaries down below. There is just out of interest, because I've got a couple of minutes here. Just looking at the actual charts, you can sort of see that there's some actual a bit of a bounce going on in this 4-hour time frame, which finishes probably well, in 45 minutes. There'll be a new 4-hour time frame, so we might get some flashes of buys. So just looking through, there's it looks like there's a bit of a bounce developing in some of these not XMR, Filecoin. Big drawdown, all this red as you can see, and a bit of a green showing there. Bit of a green showing there. Small green, a little bit of green there. Again, it could continue down. So we're following the signal, and we're staying bearish on this. That has a good looking bounce there. So I mean, when I say nice little bounce, I mean I'm talking about, let's say Ondo. So you know, so that's a high, and that's a higher high. That's a high. That's a higher high. For example, this one's unconvincing. Tau. I mean, again, there's a high. There's a higher high. These are the sort of patterns where you can sort of might be able to might signal a bit of change. This one's right at the exact resistance, so that could turn around easily and fall back down. These are the sort of things when you're trading for many years that you sort of work out. That's exactly at resistance between that high, and that's trying to get a higher high, but we don't know yet. Candle's not finished. Printing. This one's looking better. Like render is probably gonna switch, I'd imagine. But again, I'm jumping the gun. We'll wait to see what the signal says. But it's generally following these trends. When we're getting the higher high, then it will actually switch. So as you can see here, we've got a high there, a higher high, and then it switched on the next candle. So basically, that's going to be the next one there. We'll see what happens. It's actually quite interesting to see how this plays out. This one's definitely got a higher high. If we close at that point there, it'll probably switch to. So there's probably in the next 41 minutes, we're probably going to get another signal, and we'll get some new things. We'll be able to fill in our portfolio outside just protecting it in USD. So thanks for listening, guys. Once again, and I'll see you in the next report. Just watch the. Make sure you subscribe to the chat. Right down below. The chat is there to be used for me to send through some signals. I do have an AMA today with DHEX from Tetra. We're going to go look at the Signum Pulse Chain Oracle and the pre-sale on that. So there is some details in the previous post, one of the previous posts I did, just with all those details. Or check it out on my Twitter. I'll put the links below. That's going to be happening in about 45 minutes. So we'll do a live Twitter space there. But thanks again. I'll talk to you in the next video.